Hello grade 9 students, welcome to this video lesson. I am Madhu Vadge. We will continue with chapter 6, lines and angles. In previous video class, we proved angle sum property of a triangle using concept of parallel lines and transversal, and we also proved exterior angle property using the angle sum property. So let's recall what is angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And according to exterior angle property, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. We also applied these properties in solving some questions of exercise 6.3. In today's video class, we will continue the application of these properties in solving questions of exercise 6.3. We have finished question number 1 and question number 3 in previous video class, so let's continue with question number 2. Angle X is given as 62. Angle XYZ is 54. YO and ZO are angle bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY. Find angle YOZ. Let's mark this angle that we need to find out with some variable A. In this triangle XYZ, we know angle X, we know angle Y, so we can calculate Z using angle sum property for the triangle. Also, notice that there are two triangles in this figure. So angle X plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY should be equal to 180 using ASP for triangle XYZ. So angle X is 62 degrees, angle XYZ is given as 54 degrees. So solving this equation, angle XZY is equal to 180 degrees minus 116, which is equal to 64 degrees. It is given in the question that YO is an angle bisector of angle XYZ. So it divides it into two equal parts. Let us mark each part with some variable, say X. Likewise, ZO is an angle bisector of angle XZY. So angle XZO should be equal to angle OZY, and we will mark these parts as Y. So we can say that angle XYO is equal to angle OYZ, as YO is angle bisector. Of angle XYZ. So we have marked these two angles as X. Similarly, angle XZO is equal to angle OZY. Reason: ZO is angle bisector of angle XZY, and we have marked these angles as Y in the figure. So this implies angle XYZ is equal to 2x, and that is equal to 54. So from this we get x equal to 27 degrees. Likewise, angle XZY is equal to 2y, which is equal to 64 degrees. We have found here earlier in these steps. So this implies y is equal to 64 upon 2, that is 32 degrees. Now we have angle X and angle Y. So we can find out angle A using angle sum property for triangle OYZ. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. But angle X is 27, angle Y is 32, angle A we need to find. So substituting in the equation, we get angle A equal to 180 degrees minus 27 degrees plus 32 degrees. So this is equal to 180 minus 59 degrees, which is 121 degrees. So angle YOZ is 121 degree. Question number 4. If lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that angle PRT is 40 degrees, angle RPT is 95 degrees, and angle TSQ is 75 degrees, then find angle SQT. So we have to find this angle. Let's mark this angle as X. Try to mark one exterior angle in this figure. Angle RTQ is an exterior angle. Can you identify to which triangle this angle is an exterior angle? In triangle RPT, side PT is extended to point Q. Therefore, angle RTQ is an exterior angle to this triangle. In triangle STQ, side ST is extended to point R. Therefore, angle QTR is an exterior angle to this triangle as well. So let's mark this exterior angle RTQ with some variable, say A. It is important to write the name of the triangle in which the exterior angle property is being used. So starting with the triangle PRT, angle A should be equal to angle P plus angle R. Notice that I am not using complete name for the angle. Angle TPR I am writing as P. And similarly angle PRT I am writing it as R, because there is only one angle in the figure at these vertices. So it is safe to write the names of the angles in this manner. But angle P is given as 95 and angle R is given as 40. So substituting, we get angle A equal to 95 degrees plus 40 degrees, and that is equal to 135 degrees. Now look at the other triangle. Angle A is an exterior angle of this triangle SQT. So we can write in triangle TQS, angle A is equal to angle X plus angle S. Now we can substitute the values that we have. Angle A is 135, angle X is what we have to find, and angle S is 75 degrees. So angle X will be equal to 135 degrees minus 75, which is equal to 60 degrees. The same question can be solved in a different way. Instead of using exterior angle property, we can use angle sum property to get the value of X. Let's mark angle PTR as A. So what can we say about angle STQ? Angle PTR and angle STQ are vertically opposite angles because lines PQ and RS intersect at T. So angle PTR is equal to angle STQ, reason vertically opposite angles. Now we can use angle sum property in triangle PRT. Sum of interior angles will be equal to 180, so that will give us value of A. So angle A plus angle P plus angle R should be equal to 180 degrees. Substituting the values, angle A plus 135 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A is equal to 45 degrees. Now we can use angle sum property in the other triangle, that is triangle TSQ. We get angle A plus angle X plus 75 degrees is equal to 180. Substituting A as 45, we get angle X equal to 180 degrees minus 45 plus 75 will give us 120 degrees, and that is equal to 60 degrees. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment for today contains these two questions. The answers are given over here. Make sure that you apply the properties that you have learned in solving these questions and write down all the steps that are necessary with valid reasons. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.